What do you think is wrong with this code? It's a simple async function that performs 4 async operations. Each of them is awaited, and then it returns the result of these operations. It's wrapped with a try-catch to do some error handling. What do you think is wrong? If I see this, my main concern will be performance. These asynchronous operations are not related between each other, so basically they can run concurrently. We can do that by changing this to this. This means that each promise will run concurrently, almost at the same time. But we still need to handle the results. We can do that by using Promise.all. Promise.all accepts an array of promises and will wait for all of them to be resolved or rejected. You're gonna wait for Promise.all and the results will be an array. So let's refactor this to keep it with the same name conventions. And voila! Now everything runs concurrently and you have better performance. One thing to be aware is that by using Promise.all, if one of the promises inside the array fails, everything will fail. So keep that in mind. If you want to know the status of each of the promises that you passes into the array, there are other methods that can help you with that, like Promise.all settle. And subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. Don't forget to check out the video here that YouTube recommends for you. See you later.